Hey everybody, it's your realtor here. I wanted to just quickly give a shout out to my friend Alyssa at LinkedIn and all the great people at LinkedIn for giving us that $100 voucher, which I promised to use towards chicken feed. So I want to show you all the chicken feed I got, and I want to show you my chickens enjoying it. So again, thank you Alyssa, and thank you all the good people at LinkedIn. I hope my feedback was of use. Everybody else who's wondering what that was all about, the clue is in this video. All right, enjoy, and let's call the chickens to eat all the chicken feed. So there you have it. Thank you again, Alyssa, and to people at LinkedIn for sponsoring my chicken feed. My chickens are enjoying their food. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much.